It could erupt any day now. These are the latest pictures of the Mayon volcano in the Philippines. People are preparing for the blast. 47,000 nearby residents living near the volcano have already left the area. Freelance reporter Dean Bernardo is in Manila with more on what's happening there.
More residents are being pulled out of the danger zone. They've been expanding it to about a 10-kilometer radius. Now, today there has been a large amount of ash emission coming from the volcano. Thick ash clouds have fallen to as far as about 10 kilometers around the volcano. The local volcanologists have observed that as far as about 6 to 7 kilometers in height, the volcano ejected these ash. It has covered a lot of farmlands, and it's beginning to look a lot like a snow, as what the locals are saying. It's their local version of snow during this time of the year. The damage here, it's a farming community right now. You know, they haven't. The volcano has not ejected much of the a large amount of lava, and it's ejecting a lot of ash. Now, in the long-term process here, what's worrisome is that the Weather Bureau has